Bago na yung bahay dito, no? May bahay na pala dyan.
Kita mo yung motor?
Nakita ko, nung lumabas siya. Pag di lalabas yun, hindi mo makikita. Tayo sa may Pure Gold Valenzuela. Merong papatherapy. Ito yung back pain ko. Okay, let's go. I hope no traffic. Nako, may truck agad. Ito yung ginagawa sa division, di ba? Focus lang, tingnan mo. Okay ba? Tingnan mo lang dito sa yung forma ng camera, makikita mo ang alive niya. Nakasunod ko siya sa ano. Unless gagamitin ko yung cellphone. Medyo mo ulan. Parang may tumutunog doon sa likod. No. Andre, ano yung tumutunog na yan? Tignan mo nga. Ikaw nga mag... Hindi, dito banda, kaliwa eh. Hanapin mo, Andrea.
First time mo siya siguro. Kung papunta tayo kapon, wala naman yan doon, di ba?
Yung pauwi mo. Baka naglalaw mo. May tinamaan siya na ano.
Yung fire extinguisher siguro.
Hindi, nandun sa kanan yung fire extinguisher eh. Parang may tumatama na ano. Baka yung ano, seatbelt. Seatbelt tingin ko eh. Seatbelt. Tingnan mo, Andrea. I-check mo. Ayan ni Andrea yan eh. Yung tumoto. Ayan.
Yung panghuli upuan, no?
Akit ka doon. Dali, puntahan mo. Dali.
Panghuli upuan niya, yung parang pinakano yan.
Wala naman. Punta ka doon sa likod. Kung yung tumutunog. Hanapin niya lang. Kaya niya yan. Tunog lang yan. Ano lang.
Kaya ba niyang iba tayong tutuan yung ganito? Ito?
Patupuan ang tutunog. Hindi yung tutunog
Kaya
dapat.
ba iba ba yan?
Pati bababa yung upuan. Hindi, yung seatbelt lang yan. Tingin ko seatbelt.
Ano yan?
Tingnan mo yung tumutunog, Andrea. Dali. Maririnig mo eh. Hanapin mo. Dali. Ayan o. Ayun eh. Nandito lang sa tabi mo eh. Sa likod mo lang eh. Tingnan mo. Dali. Tingin ko ano. May tumatamang ano. May tumatamang seatbelt. Andrea, may na nga yung cellphone. Hindi ka nakikinig kay daddy eh. dito banda.
Yun o. Tinupi mo yung pot. Pwede mo pa ano mas, pa-download na lang man, tapos i-email sa amin. Pwede lahat na binigay ko lahat man. Ako sa bako yun. Sige, matawagan ko ulit. Pati kay sir. Ano kay sir, ma'am? Pati kay sir. Bank statement, ma'am, ha? Bank search, bank statement. Sige po, tawagan ko ulit para tingnan kung maayos. Opo. Hindi ko kasi napansin kasi yung ano.
Dito. Yung pera ko, wala akong pera ha. Kulang ha.
500?
Hindi ko lang kung magkano yun.
One time mabayad eh.
Sigurado, one time lang. Pare-pareha.
Pero sigurado ako wala akong mabayad eh.
Sige, baba. Andrea, you cannot check that one? Huh? You want to check the sounds? You can find that one.
need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come on often, but please, you know I can't stand it.
Tayo sa
When you don't talk to
Pugod.
me, when
Dito
you
na tayo
don't
sa
talk to me.
Pugod. Park na tayo dito. Sandali.
There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore.
Nagbe-blip na siya, red. Nagre-red na siya. Good.
I don't know why, but I can't seem to get you off my mind. And I know it's true, and I'll say this to you.
Punta na natin si Mami.
I want you.
Mami, may mako mo. Ha?
There's something inside, yeah, there's something
muna tayo.
inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. Something inside, something inside. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. If I quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an
Larry Bird.
man, I came in the game like whoa.
Sexy na mga kanakan ni Larry Bird.
They told me I'm the best, and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water.
tayo rito sa Valenzuela Town Center sa business ni Mrs. Papark tayo rito sa ilalim ng Town Center. Okay.
I think the girls with their nails done now.
Thank you.
Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.
Paharap lang.
Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done now.
Diretso lang. I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. Parang hindi nakaka ano to.
Girls with their nails done.
Parang hindi nakakarinig. Okay, we're going to SM Valenzuela. Toyota Hilux. Riding.
Saka tayo, kung day lang, day swimming lang. Hindi naman dyan sana kayo nakakaya.
Okay lang, di ba? May maglilinis naman, kikita sila eh. Kikita naman sila eh. Baka maka-discount pa kayo. Ano bang naghahanap sila?
Hanap sila ng resort, private resort.
Hmm. Ganito yung mga daan na gawa rito. Parang tapyas-tapyas yung gawa na. No, yan o, putol na dito. Wala. Alam mo kung ano yung tumutunog? Yung belt. Yung gano'n na Andrea. Wala na, tingnan mo. Tagal lang dyan yan eh. Ba't di yan tutunog kahit kailan? Kasi baka design yan dyan. Ang tumutunog talaga yun. Wala na, tingnan mo.
It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity.
Tama ba yung kabit? Kaya nga mali yung kabit nila dyan sa mga upuan. Tinanggal ba nila yung upuan na yan? Sa taas, hindi na.
It's all about humanity.
Bukas na umaga ka ba? ito. Dapat tirahin na agad ito nung umaga eh, no? Mabagal talaga sa Pilipinas kahit di na ano. Dapat tirahin ng madaling araw yan, no?
It's all about humanity.
Nagpasa natin yung ano, yung diretso tayo sa Kapatiman.
May parkingan doon.
Pwede ka mag-park sa ano.
Ano ba doon? Ano ba yun? Punta ka ba sa Union Bank? Yung Union Bank walang parking? Bakit?
I can't believe the night I waste all we give back. But
Magkano ba ang kulang mo pa?
honestly,
Hmm?
you've gotta know that this ain't living, but we could run from Elysium and let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever.
Bawal din sa... Wala naman ah. Wala na, yung kanina kalantag ng kalantag pag ano.
Ano yan? Ilan mo na yan, Be?
I can't believe myself. I never thought
Dito,
this
diretso pa.
would be our end.
Sarado na, baka wala nang parking,
But it's
naka-parking yan.
nothing new. My love was honesty. I could
Nasaan?
push it back down if I
Kaliwa
had
tayo banda?
Nagpasan mo lang nga.
if you want me to.
Nagpasa natin.
We can
Ah, dito pala. Ano tayo sa issue eh?
and we can the stars that fall. So tell me now, what's left to lose if we run?
Okay, lumampas tayo sa SM. Kasi may nag-withdraw. Tayo ng masarap dyan. Kasi, huwag dyan. Normal lang yan eh. Parang pizza na lang yun. Nasawa na tayo dyan eh. Yung iba, tingnan natin.
So, ramen.
Tingnan natin. hindi pa na, tingnan natin kung meron pa tayong hindi nakainan na masarap yan.
Mateo.
Makakain na tayo dati dun eh.
Abot yung
Tok. Dito na tayo sa SM. SM City.
Parang hindi naman